Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Today, here we're going to discuss about a question which says design a flower vase inspired from nature. So, while attempting this question, we shall first focus on these two words, which is the nature and the like this word is a particular nature. So this is where we will draw inspiration from. So by nature itself, we can think of certain features of the nature itself and incorporate those into the design. Okay, so this is how design problems on questions problems of this sort is solved. You have to get understand what are the features that you can uh, incorporate uh, from the element of from where the inspiration has to be drawn. So here from where we have to draw the inspiration is the word nature itself. Okay, so and also then you come to the what has to be designed, that is the flower vase. So from here you have to understand what is the function of that. So you have to combine these features of the nature and uh, this the function, and both of this will form the design itself. So if I take inspiration from a tree trunk and combine the function of the flower vase and make a sketch like this, suppose this way. Okay, so it will look like a tree trunk, all right, but it will function as a flower vase. All right, so this part can be hollow, but the overall design and the functionality or how it looks shall look the looks and other feel of the design itself shall look like a tree trunk. All right, so in this way you can create various other incorporate features of various things. Okay, and form and use that forms general features to use it in certain context. Okay, so here if you see, I'm using the getting the designing the this vase in the form of a tree trunk which looks like a tree trunk, but it will function as a like a flower vase. So suppose this part, if I just sketch it darker, okay, to give that impression that it has certain hollow, it is quite hollow in nature. Okay, there is some space here inside it which can be used for planting flowers. And then I can go for, suppose, take a color of the stems and then start drawing the stems itself, which will give that it is coming from inside. Okay, so here you see it will look like that certain kind of stems is coming from here, and which is acting like a flower vase, and the whole design itself can be called that it is inspired from the nature itself. Okay, so actually the vase is designed in the form of a tree trunk. So this is how you take inspiration from various sources or various elements. Okay, so various objects on the in the nature, and combine its form to, so that that form can be used for certain functions that can be used on daily basis. So that is how this kind of problems are solved. So you have to use your creative thinking to bring out forms like this. That is what is expected from you in this kind of questions. So free and open mindedness is very important. So you cannot be restricted, you keep yourself restricted so to older, how the forms are generally perceived. You have to think out of the box and you can think very creatively. So there is no amount of like you shall not worry about restricting yourself to certain ideas. Here these questions are given to open up your brain and also to see how creatively you can think of new ideas. So this is how you shall attempt these questions, so that a new form emerges which has a fresh look and appeal, and people would like to buy it for their uh, home or any other purpose or for decorative purpose, but it shall appeal to the people. All right, so here now you see that we got a trunk shaped flower vase which can be used for storing like keeping flowers at home or at office spaces, and it will give a certain kind of fresh look and feel to the a different feel kind of from a regular flower vase, but it looks quite unique, and it also looks quite interesting, and that is the most important thing that is going to be judged during this while you attempt to give solution to these questions. So keep your mind open, think very creatively, and most importantly think of how you can use various uh, elements of the of a certain form to create a design whose form can be used for certain function, and thus you create a new design. Okay, so these two words, whenever you get a question, always see the design, the what you have to design, that is the which is the function itself, and the on based on what you have to design, which will give you the necessary features from which you can draw inspiration. So once you combine this, you have your design ready, and this will be highly creative. So I hope this lesson helps you a lot. Keep practicing, and you can explore other forms too to see how it can be used in other purposes, and that will open up your creative sense. Keep practicing like this. Thank you.